This is the first detailed demonstration of the Chinese GL-6 active protection system. An interesting test was conducted in which a drone equipped with an RPG launcher mounted underneath was flown, while simultaneously an RPG positioned on the ground was aimed at the turret of the vehicle equipped with the system. The shell launched from the top mimics a top-attack anti-tank missile and, to some extent, the attack profile of FPV drones. The active protection system intercepted the shell, and shortly thereafter, it intercepted another projectile launched from the ground. This demonstrates the superiority of the Chinese active protection system, as it provides comprehensive coverage around the tank. The GL-6 detection sensor is an omnidirectional ESA radar. However, one shortcoming observed during the test was that post-interception penetration occurred. The shaped charge of the warhead still exploded toward the tank. Furthermore, this APS is not capable of intercepting APFSDS rounds, although that is not considered a major issue given that current battlefield conditions indicate that FPV drones represent the primary threat. This APS has already been integrated into PLA main battle tanks.